Hello, loves, and welcome back. Happy Monday morning. Okay, I just wanted us to come and discuss how time consuming it is to come up with the media kit, your proposals and your business cards, etc. So I sent my first official email to one of the brands that I want to work with, partnership, do a collaboration, and wow, the amount of work that I put into my media kit. Okay, like sometimes I think we assume that content creation, collaborations, and doing social media marketing is just like, okay, I'm just gonna just repost things and we're gonna be fine. But there's work, there's a lot of thought that goes into that. So my advice to you as a new content creator is that you need to really get into your zone right now and make your media kit. Don't wait for too long. I'm just going to the email that I actually sent. Did I not just write a whole damn dissertation and attach like my things because I'm that serious about what I'm doing? And like I said, you're gonna have to learn from experience, and because no one is gonna be there, to take you along the various steps and stuff like that. Okay, it is a damn Monday morning, so I'm gonna be talking a whole lot. Okay, so I just literally went in all yesterday, and yes, it was a Sunday, but I went out to just go check on a few other stakeholders that I'd like to work with. And guys, you really need to put in the work. You need to physically go see your sponsors, talk to them, see what happens. Okay, how do you communicate? How do they work? Get a better idea and a better experience of this collaborations, partnerships, how they work. There's a formality. Some of them will even tell you, no, we use an agency. You need to now go out and start hunting. Which are agencies? Who's doing this influencer brand marketing stuff? And that's where you probably just take it. But like us always advise, I prefer the traditional way. Okay, secure the deal, secure your bags, pitch yourself. Okay, if you can, if you have like the capacity and the confidence, and of course you've got to have the confidence. I mean, like, if you don't trust in your brand, who will? Okay, so if you are afraid to approach brands, then you're in some serious trouble. Okay, it means that you do not even believe in what you're selling the client. So I did a very detailed media kit that I am so in love with. I'm so in love with. I told you guys where you can get templates for these media kits. Go back to my videos. If you still don't know, you will find the information there. The content creator strategy, I have quite a few videos on that. So also make sure that your media kit is a true reflection of your potential and your current work. Okay, don't use pictures that do not belong to you. Don't lie about your brand collaborations. Use your own work. And I'm assuming as a content creator you have so many pictures. I have so many pictures I could use. I was like, wow, I'm actually glad that I take so many pictures, and this is my work. This is the stuff that I do. Okay, creating a portfolio, guys, is not easy. And I feel like as content creators, we need to get into the mode of having a portfolio. And it doesn't mean you can only have a portfolio when you're like really, really rich. Okay, you need to start like now. Okay, doing everything literally starts now. While you're on that journey, do your media kit. You literally just go back and adjust the numbers, your following, your reach, your engagement, your interactions. Okay, don't wait for you to have the big numbers then to have a card, because there are businesses that work with micro content creators like myself, very small content creators, and they'll be like expecting professionalism. Okay, the mere fact that you're just a small content creator does not mean that you therefore have like the leeway to produce like bad work. Okay, or like mediocrity. Okay, you don't want to be giving people, oh no, no. Okay, you might not have the numbers, but professionally speaking, you have that service as a content creator, and you've got your media kits. You know what you're talking about. You know the level reach, how many consumers you can target with your videos, etc., etc. So I just wanted to tell you that it's not easy. You're gonna have to sit sometimes upon days. My media kit had already started, so it wasn't from scratch because it's a 2-pager. And then yesterday I just went in and I did a lot of finishing touches and a lot of writing on the second page. And then I also did like a business card. All these things are digital. And I also did like a proposal for that particular client. Your proposals will differ. Even now I'm looking at making a different proposal because there's a different sponsor that I'd like to approach. And sometimes proposals will be industry based or service based, right? The proposal you're going to use for maybe like a makeup artist or the people that are going to be in charge of your wardrobe and makeup is not the same that you're going to use for maybe a sponsor that you want to approach for maybe to finance something. Do you get it? Okay, so that proposal, your proposal is going to be service related, service industry related, and it's going to cater for that service provider or that sponsor. Okay, you're not going to have, yes, you can have almost a generic proposal, but that doesn't work. When you're approaching someone that you want to join on your marketing campaigns or whatever, that you want to join, sorry, and you want to attach to your brand, you really need to go above and beyond. So make sure that your media kits are in order. Guys, do not wait for last minute. I'm warning you again and again and again and again. It's a Monday morning. You have the whole week to do this. Okay, I'm giving you the whole week to do this. I don't want Friday to come and you still don't have a media kit. All right, so go back there, work on your media kits, and be specific what you're offering, your services, your rates, what you can do, and what you'd like to offer that company that's going to be sponsoring you, because there's got to be a benefit. Okay, so tell me what you guys think. Do you guys have media kits already or not, or is it something you feel like it's for more established content creators? Let me hear from you guys. You already know. Please like, subscribe, tell your other friends to tell their other friends to come check out what we have got.